Hi, I'm Andrew from AMC Performance, and together with HDi, we're developing some cool stuff. Stay tuned for more product updates. It's pretty much a bolting kit. We just got to enlarge 2 holes and it bolts straight in. The hoses fit very well around all the air conditioning pipes, the intake and the overflow bottle, and pretty much bolts all straight up. So we're continuing from yesterday. Now the intercooler's installed and we're ready for tune.
I'm Vince from ARI Performance and Leo from Eurotech, and we're here today with AMC Performance. I'm working on a tune for this Hilux. It's a 3-litre diesel and we're pretty much working on the map after some modifications. Some modifications include the HDi Intercooler kit. We're working on some turbo pressure maps here and on the dyno today we're going to data log the vehicle and then basically adjust accordingly. About 20 kilowatts as an increase. But after finding some gearbox issues on the dyno, we'll revisit that later. But at the moment, 70 Newton meter, 20 kilowatts out of a diesel is pretty impressive. Temperature-wise, the intercooler has been a big improvement too, dropping temperatures by a fair amount. And you can already tell with the heat dispersion on the alloy intercooler that it's working well on the cold side. Stay tuned for some more product development from HDi and ourselves.